Well, it's Battlebox time again. This is Mission 87, and that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me for another look at the Battlebox subscription boxes, where what I try to do is create a library of resources. You can go back and look at examples of what you might expect to get from this mystery box that could come in your mailbox every month. And again, it's a surprise, so my goal here is just to give you some examples. You can decide for yourself whether it's worth the money. I do want to give a big thanks to the sponsors for today's video. We've got a new sponsor to the channel, the folks at Elite U. You can go to theeliteu.com. Elite U is a new video platform, and they're going to have a lot of training, all geared towards tactical, real-world skills that could really help you. The creators are Jack Nevels, who is a former Army Special Forces Green Beret, and Mike Donvito, who's a 5th degree black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and a lot of other martial arts and a combatives expert. They're also going to have a lot of other people making content. I've looked at some of the samples on there. They are really high quality, well done, and cover a wide range of topics from edged weapons to no weapons to pistols, carbines, driving, clearing your house, mindset, and much, much more. And again, you go to theeliteu.com and check out the free videos and see if you think it'd be something that fits for you. Right now, there's a pretty good bit of content on there, and they're going to be adding content constantly. So what I've seen so far looks really, really good. And so I'm actually planning on joining myself, to be honest with you. So because it seemed interesting enough to get my attention. So that is theeliteu.com. Thanks to them for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's take a look and see what is in Mission 87 of the Battlebox. And I got an announcement, a quick announcement to make about Battlebox. For the first time in a long time, they've actually had to raise their prices. They sent me an email and said that they, everything's gone crazy. If you've been to the grocery store, you noticed that. So there's 4 levels of box in the Battlebox. Let me just cover that real quick and we'll show you what's in this month. The basic box is the lowest level subscription, and it's $34.99 a month plus shipping and handling. And shipping and handling depends on you, depends on where you live. They use real-time carrier rates when you check out. There's next level is the advanced box. At the advanced box, you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff, and that's $64.99 plus shipping and handling. After that, it's the Pro. Again, it's more stuff. It's $119.99 plus shipping and handling, and the Pro Plus, which is even more stuff. Usually it's some sort of knife or bladed implement extra, $169.99 per month. So, because people ask me how much it is, and since I got that email last week, thought I would just go ahead and share that with you. So let me put my list back up and we'll take a look and see what is in this month's Battlebox, which is Mission 87. As usual, there's a mission brief in here, which tells you what all's in there and the values that they assign to it. So first of all, there is a Clean Freak Body Wipe 12-pack. Pretty cool. And this one has a $15 value, and basically they are just wipes that you can clean your body with. They're 11 inches by 11 inches, so they contain aloe. They're alcohol-free, 100% biodegradable, odor neutralizer, and upwind approved. So they don't scare the critters away, I guess. Just a really good way to stay clean if you're out in the woods, because cleanliness is always good. It kind of is related to healthiness. The next item on here is something I think is pretty stinking cool, as you've heard me say before. Let me find it. Oh yeah, it's Fox Edge. You've seen some of their knives before. So we have a little bit of orange paracord here. And we've got a little pouch. Pretty cool. And let's open her up, see what she's got inside here. Okay, so we've got 2 little arrowheads for making, because it's pretty easy to make arrows. It's kind of hard unless you're really good to make arrowheads. But these are, you can put these on a spear or an arrow or an atlatl, and they've got, by golly, some sharp little heads there. So that's that one. You can just split a stick and lash that in to make an arrowhead. And then the other one is a little bigger and a little pointier, and it is like that. But as they say on infomercials, wait, there's more. There's also a little saw blade that you could use. Pretty dadgum sharp too. You could lash this to a stick and make yourself a little saw. Saws are really, really handy, and which is a good thing to have. And they all fit in this really nice little compact, push it the rest of the way down in there, this compact case, which is also pretty cool. And you could even potentially wear this on your belt if you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. That's the Fox Edge arrowhead set, and this set has a $22.99 list value, so set that aside. Now this is something I've not seen before. There are two of these. They are flex beaners, model flex beaner. Let's see, these are pretty. You can wrap stuff up with these. Oh, this is neat. Like, this is the kind of thing I think is really cool, because I can use these. You can use these to wrap up like a water hose or an extension cord or anything, your rope, line, or whatever. But they're just little stretchy, rubbery things with a clip on them, and you can just. I guess there's a trick to do that, but you got to get that little thing in there. I know you. Okay. This is a doofus moment of the video. But yeah, so it'll go. You just got to push it on there, and now you can wrap stuff up and store it. And it's got enough flex to it. It works pretty cool. So there's two of these, and they're giving these a $24 value for two of them. So 12 bucks a piece. And that is everything in the basic level this month. Next we have the advanced box, and the advanced box you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month the advanced box is a model bottle with a rinse mod. Let's see what that means. It says, say goodbye to your cabinet of bottles and say hello to model. Replace bladders, water filters, outdoor showers, and more with one easy to use system. So it's just a bottle, apparently a water bottle. It's got a little stainless insert here. It's squeezable, and it's got a screw-on cap on this end and a screw-on cap on this end. With a swap of a cap, model transforms from a first-notch bottle to a hydration pack, water filter, and more. So there's different mods you can put on it. They've got a rinse mod they included with it, which means that basically this screws on, and it's got little holes in it that you can turn this into like a shower, squeeze it and rinse yourself off with it. That's pretty cool. They also have obviously different filter caps and all that. So pretty neat little design. Allows you to have several different options in one little bottle. And the price on this one's 40 bucks. So that's everything in the advanced box. Next level is the Pro Box. In Pro Box, you get everything in these lower levels plus more. And this month, the more is a DD tarp 3x3. And it's a hammock tarp. It is 3 meters by 3 meters. So it's somewhere around 9 feet by 9 feet. Cloudy brown. It is 190T polyester 4PU coated. It's got 4 guide ropes, 4 pegs, 19 attachment points. And these attachment points are loops, so they're not like grommet holes, which is good. They're sewn in loops. And they give you ample cover for a hammock or just a good tarp. Tarps are so important, and not just for sleeping on them, but just for shade and everything else. So that's pretty cool. And it has comes with 4 stakes and some guide ropes. And this one is kind of brown. $74 value on this one. So that's the DD Hammocks Tarp, really high quality brand. And that's everything in the Pro Box. Finally, we have a Pro Plus box every month, which is sort of like a knife of the month club. There's always some kind of blade in there. This month is Raptor Razor Big Game Skinner. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Okay, wow. Let me just show you how the package looks like first. Comes in this nice case, molded case. Open it up and there's all this stuff in here. So let's see what all this stuff is. So first of all, there's a handle here, right? And you can put these different blades in here. There's like a big fillet style blade. You can put in the handle here. You just got a couple of screws there. What else we got? We have more of a boning blade. Oh, another little blade. So there's two different style blades there, and then a bone saw. So this is essentially everything you might need to cape out and skin a big game. It also has this handle here that has a screwdriver in it that will allow you to use these screws to open this handle up and put the blade in. Has a sharpening steel here, which I believe, and I could probably read the instructions and learn more about this, but man, you know, how much fun is that? I think we can take this end off. Let's see if this end comes off. And I believe this will be a handle for the sharpening steel. I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's got something in there. Oh, that's even better. What's in there? Oh, extra screws, just in case you lose your screws. Pretty smart idea there. And this screws onto your sharpening steel and makes a handle for the steel. So that's a pretty cool set, I think. It really is impressive to me that all this stuff fits in one little box, and it's very useful looking. So it all goes in very well. And got the extra screws. It's got a couple different screwdrivers here. It's got a star bit, a hex bit, a flathead, and another Phillips head. And it all fits together again in this nice package. And the price on this one is $124.99. And I think that's a pretty well thought out little kit for big game. And that, rambling it all, is the Battlbox Mission 87. So anyway, if you're interested in exploring Battlbox further, you can save by using the coupon code in the description below. And what's cool about them now is a lot of times you can find these individual items on their site if you just want to buy that instead of buy the whole box, which is pretty neat. So that's pretty cool. And what I try to do is pick out a couple of my favorite items from any of these boxes, all these boxes. And I'm probably going to surprise you with this one, but I really think these little, what do they call these things? They are flexibiners. I like these, man. These, I'm always looking for something to hook up and take, you know, organize my stuff, like things that you call. For example, I've got an air compressor with a hose, and the hose has no way to store it. It just flops around. So this right here is perfect. I can ring up the hose and connect it to the handle of the air compressor. It's one of those little pancake compressors, and then it's all taken care of. So these will be used probably this afternoon. And then second, man, silly as it sounds, I really like these body wipes. I like the fact that they're scent-free and they're little packs. You just throw them in your pack or whatever, and you got a way to keep yourself clean. That's really important, because cleanliness is definitely next to healthiness. So that's Battlbox Mission 87. Really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.